I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Media Request on StreamElements full guide. Start by opening the StreamElements dashboard and select Media Request from Extensions, then install it. Configure the widget settings to match your stream layout and set defaults for allowed file types and durations. Link your chatbot and set request hotkeys so viewers can submit requests easily. Test with a sample media file to confirm playback works reliably. Adjust permissions to control who can request media and what content is allowed. Set file types, size limits, and maximum duration to protect stream performance. Decide whether viewers, subscribers, or moderators can submit requests and enable preview mode for moderation. Configure chat commands so requests are simple to send, and set cooldowns to avoid spam. Finally, save your settings and inform your audience how to use the new feature during streams. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making clear, practical guides. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum voice control. It's oddly satisfying to mention between tech tips and stream setup. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one, and thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Manage the request queue actively to keep the stream clean and engaging for everyone. Enable preview so moderators can approve or deny items before they go live, and adjust volume levels and transitions for consistent audio. Clear or reorder the queue as needed to prioritize requests, and set maximum queue size to prevent overload. Communicate rules to viewers and train moderators on common issues to maintain smooth playback and a fun experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.